Alright, I'm back at the garage. Daan is late as usual. But yeah, today hopefully we're gonna be cutting the front fenders and fitting the over fenders. First I'm gonna put on the rear fenders so we can sort of compare and look at where the front fenders exactly need to be. I think we'll just line up the bottom of the front of the over fenders with this fender and then cut it behind there, but let's first see how that sort of compares with the rear. Alright, it's not looking too bad. Let's try the other side. Put the car outside and I got the over fenders on. It seems that it's been roughly cut at the same height as where the old fenders were. So we're gonna do the same at the front. So the plan now is to take the fender, put it where it needs to be, tape it and then drill the holes. But that's kind of hard to do on my own because Daan still isn't here. So in the meantime I have this. So I've never actually had an aux port in this car, even though the radio did have an aux option, but there was no input anywhere. So when we're taking this whole thing apart, and this little thing came out, and somewhere in there, oh yeah, there they are. Let's see if hooking up this onto that gives us aux. Oh, and there's Daan. Okay, this is gonna be harder than expected. I'm gonna get my one hand in there. I think I need to do this with pliers. Okay, got some pliers. You can tell that Daan has arrived because Midwest Emo starts playing in the background.
And you know who's in the house.
Okay, let's try this. Okay, that's in there. That's cable 1. This is proving to be harder than I thought. But anyways, we're getting there. I think I got it. Yeah. Let's see if after... Oh wait. Daan, do you have an aux thingy on your phone?
Yes, an aux.
Okay, so we can test if it actually has aux, because we have phones that don't have it. How do we test? How do we test this then? Yeah, I had one in my Colt, but when I was vacuuming it, I sucked it up.
You didn't retrieve it.
No, because what is that? The vacuum at the gas station.
You know what I once vacuumed at the gas station?
What?
My car key. So, things I vacuumed at the car wash. Top one, my Mazda car key, and it was the only one I have. It's still the only one I have. But luckily the guy retrieved it from like the big bin where everything is going to, and he said like, "How does your car key look like?" "Yeah, black." "Okay, what kind of car?" "Mazda." "Here."
Yeah.
So
Okay, so it's not that bad. Daan is not happy with me. I put some art on his car.
So Jim, what you doing?
I am pre-drilling the fenders. Pretty self-explanatory.
Yeah, just like these.
Oh yeah, Timon is here now.
Hello.
It's moving.
Hey!
Hey!
Switch to the Daan. Yeah, you got it moving?
I think so.
Hey, nice.
That's what we call movement, bitch.
So we didn't break it.
No.
Hey, nice.
Maybe it just got loose. I don't know.
Yeah. Okay,
Nice.
progress. So we already did the other one.
I think this is the one that Daan completely mangled last time. Pretty sure it is, because it does not go. We drilled the holes in the fenders, And now we're gonna tape it up here and see what's what. Yeah. Alright. We're gonna look for a marker.
Okay. Now we're going to try to get this one loose. We got that bolt off, and now this one. We're all doing that to try to avoid having to open that one where the pin is like, yeah. That is still the pin in there, so I think once I get it off, I'll put it in the bankschroef. I don't know what it's called.
It's a vice.
As always, the trick is just 6 rounds of, how do you call it? WD-40. And pipe of power, of course.
The one and only.
Why would it ever be easy? Yeah, we're removing the other side. It's also like a 21. We didn't even have a ratchet in 21, so I had to steal one from my father.
Well,
it is loose, but it's still pretty tight. Are you a magician? Where did the ratchet go?
yeah.
Let's go.
Oh, nice.
You finally got the pencil you needed.
Yeah, I got the marker.
But what's the problem?
That one you might be able to get, but this one, no.
What's the problem with the marker, boys?
Oh, no, doesn't fit.
No. The marker doesn't fit through the holes.
Oh.
So I'm gonna find
Good.
something else to do. So I'm drilling holes in my car, which feels kind of f***ed up.
That's plastic.
Yeah. Yeah, that's why I got the nuts.
We were making some fine progress. We have all these loose. These are all loose, so that's quite nice. Only, then of course we came to some smaller nuts and they gave us trouble. I destroyed this one. Then I was able to get this one loose a bit, but apparently you can't get to the other side here, and it's like a ball joint thing, whatever. Now we made a small dent here to see if we can put something in it to get it looser. But I think we might just need to cut it anyway.
Yeah. Oh,
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 we fix.
let's go.
All right, we're removing the strut. Time is now going to hold it. Well, I do. Los.
Yes, there's one. That's two.
Yeah. We got our first spring out.
Let's go.
Doesn't look too bad.
Daan has liberated the Koyi boy. Daan wanted to use the pipe power, but the whole workbench is moving.
If I do this.
Huh? Yeah. So this is the whole contraption.
We took everything off so that we didn't have to do this.
I think if you do it like that, you're gonna f it.
Yeah. I have like 3 90s.
Rip. Yeah, I bought a bunch of 19s.
Why?
Because we used them a lot. Okay, so I'm over here. I marked out where we're gonna cut. Probably not gonna get to that today. Also gonna do that over here. Measured everything from like the inside of the wheel well. So you're gonna destroy everything.
It should be fine.
Aren't those all my tools?
No, this is mine. This one is also mine. And the socket was also, and this socket is also mine. So only this thing is yours.
Okay.
You never use
I'm gonna get a new one of those if you break it. You're gonna break it.
Yeah, I don't think it's gonna work.
Nope, definitely not.
I do think it moved a bit though.
Do you?
Do you think?
No.
Maybe we can. Maybe I can try to get this off a bit.
Yeah.
How should I do that?
I don't know.
Bone screwdriver.
You burn it. Oh, that's what you're doing.
Yeah.
Murdering another one of my drills.
Always your stuff, not mine.
Also, I've marked off both sides of the fenders. And it's getting late, so I'm gonna do the cutting next time. Some progress, at least.
I think this ball joint is fucked anyway. This screw is fucked, so then I need a new ball joint anyway. So I'll probably just buy the whole piece, right?
Yeah, but
Because this
well,
ball.
aren't you going to keep
Because
this?
this part is. Are we?
Are you?
It is like this bit is drilled out. Here is a stuck one. Here's a stuck one.
Oh yeah.
We only have one that is
it's
fucked,
kind
so
of cut.
we already decided that we need a new this thing.
Yeah.
On both sides.
You know what it's called?
It's called Rip My Wallet. So leave it, buy a new one.
Think so.
We fix here on this channel. So then it's time to clean, I think.
Alright, we're just gonna clean up a bit and call it a day. Yeah, we did make some progress. Daan unfucked some stuff.
By fucking it up more, but
Yeah.
I call it a win.
And I managed to drill some holes and put some permanent marker on my car. See ya.
Bye.